Ready to ditch the chaos and finally get your projects under control? Today, we're diving into Basecamp to show you just how easy it is to add a to-do and assign it to your team, making project management a breeze. First things first, navigate to the project you want to add the to-doing, and then click on the Add a To-Do List button, located in the Todo section. Now, give your to-do list a descriptive title, something that clearly summarizes the group of tasks you're about to add. In this case, let's name it Website Redesign Tasks. Hit Add This To-Do List, and boom, you've created your first to-do list container. Time to populate it. Click the Add a To-Do button inside your newly created list. Type in the specific task that needs to be done, for example, design new homepage mockup. Now, assign the task by clicking the Assign to field and choosing the team member responsible. This ensures accountability and clarity. Next, set a deadline by clicking the Due Date field and selecting the date the task needs to be completed. This helps keep your project on schedule. Don't skimp on the details. Use the Description field to provide clear instructions, important links, or any other relevant information the assignee needs. The clearer you are, the fewer questions we'll get later. Finally, click Add This To-Do, and there you have it. You've successfully added a to-do, assigned it to a team member, and set a due date in Basecamp. Now, rinse and repeat for all your project tasks. Remember to subscribe for more Basecamp tips and tricks.